hello. He's so heavy. So of course I've been titled the Queen of Lava Cakes, so I had to live up to that status, and today I designed a giant lava cake which is made with a cookie dough, and that hot chocolate lava oozes out when you cut into a giant cookie. It's so good, guys. It's overly indulgent. It's probably not that good for you, but once in a lifetime you can definitely make this and try it. I think it's really fun, it's crazy, it's definitely a showstopper, so if you wanted to make it for a huge dinner party or something like that, it could definitely be a winner. So I really hope you make this, you try this at home. Be really careful as it's giant cookie, and of course it's lava, so really fun recipe to make. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, it's completely free. I upload new recipes every single week. And I'm also launching my online cooking courses very soon, so check it out on my website. Now let's get baking. First we're gonna make our cookies, so add flour and then brown sugar into a bowl. Mix everything together until you get nice even consistency. Then you want to add your eggs. And I'm using my hands in a glove to mix it all together because it's gonna stick to you. Then add butter, but of course you can use your hands or a spoon or a mixer. Add the butter and then kind of incorporate all the ingredients together until you get a nice soft cookie dough that's kind of mixed in all the way. So it should be very nice and easy. You want to then add your chocolate chips and mix everything one more time until you get super delicious even dough with different chocolate bits everywhere. This looks and tastes so good on its own, guys. Honestly, why do we even bother further? Once it's all mixed in, you want to take the dough and you want to kind of divide it into 1/3 for the lid and then 2/3 for the bottom of the cookie that we're going to make. Spray your pan where you're gonna bake the cookie with some cooking oil. Add parchment paper, and then I'm using a 16cm ring. You can use a larger one if you want, and it's gonna sort of not come up to the top. Make sure it's completely oiled and sprayed everywhere because otherwise it's gonna stick to your pan. Spread your cookie evenly around the sides, the bottom, and everywhere to give it a nice huge cookie effect. Using the dough, shape it up from the top. Again, if you're using a larger mold, then you will have a little bit left on the top, which might be even better because it will be easier for you to take it out. It was quite a challenge to take it out while it was baked. So yeah, my advice to use a bigger one. Once it's all done, you need to press it down, make sure it's perfect, and then it's gonna go into the freezer for about 3 hours. We need to make sure it's nice and cold. Take 1/3 of your cookie dough, squash it evenly on your parchment paper and make sure it's similar size to the lid, and then place it into the freezer as well. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at AllasYummyFood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click on the picture and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. Make your lava in a bowl, add your dark chocolate along with butter, and then you want to melt this in a microwave. Once it's melted, you want to mix this through with a spoon or whisk until your chocolate comes together, so it should be nice and smooth. In a different bowl, you want to add your eggs with sugar. You're going to whisk this for a few minutes until it's nice and even, and then you will add your melted chocolate and butter inside and gently incorporate all the ingredients together. Now we're gonna sift our flour into the mixture. Make sure you sift it so you don't get any lumps, and gently mix that through and incorporate it together with your mixture. Once you get this beautiful chocolate lava mixed in, then it's ready and it's time to go. Take your cookie dough from the freezer and then you want to add your chocolate mixture right inside. It's gonna set a little bit because by the time the cookie is done, the mixture would have set a bit. Spread it evenly. Make sure you cover all the sides, and it's gonna go up pretty high. So again, if you're using a bigger mold, then it might be easier for you. So just press it down, and then we're gonna put the lid on top. So just gently add this, and don't press too much, you don't want to break anything. And then if you have any excess cookie dough sticking out, you want to take a sharp knife and just go around the cookie and make sure you get rid of all the extra bits. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I ate this raw cookie dough and I'm not ashamed of it. Bake this for about 50 to 60 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius or 365 Fahrenheit. You want to monitor this because you don't want to burn the cookie, but you want to make sure the lava is done. And if you dig inside, you can see that it's all cooked through, the lava is dripping. It's so delicious. You can eat it like that straight away, or take it out of the mold, add more chocolate, cut inside, and you can see the lava will start to drip straight away. And there you go, guys, giant cookie lava cake. It's so amazing, so delicious.